Are you a New York City or New Jersey resident who is curious about past lives? Then I want you to join me on Sunday, October the 23rd for a hike into your past lives. Let me tell you a little bit more. If we haven't met before, my name is Nicole Hernandez, the traveling hypnotist, and I'm a board certified hypnotist that is also resident healer at the Four Seasons Hotel, New York, downtown. So let me tell you about this intriguing event you don't want to miss. So what exactly is a hike into your past lives? It is going to be a beautiful October adventure that we're doing in collaboration with Outer There. Outer There is an adventure company that does everything from hiking to kayaking to camping trips where you can really explore the outdoors. What we'll do is combine about 2 hours of hiking with about 30 to 40 minutes of a past life regression that we'll do kind of in the middle of our exploration. Now, what is a past life regression exactly? So this is the process of using hypnosis, or you can say meditation, to gently guide you into a state where we can access what is believed to be our past life memories. So what are some of the things that you might experience as a past life? Well, it really depends on you. I've had clients in the past who have seen themselves as animals, like a house cat, and also that have seen themselves as a soldier, and also that have perhaps even seen themselves as just energy, kind of in the cosmos. So the range is completely wide as to what you will uniquely experience. And you can either have a lot of fun with that and just let it be entertainment, or you can really dig into more of the soulful lessons that have been garnered from those lives and how to apply them in your current life. You see, this is where I think it's really key to look at past life regression, because we can begin to understand the lessons that we've learned from past lives and know that we can apply those now, especially if we've forgotten them. Or you might have a situation that you're going through right now that might be related to a past life in some way. Perhaps you didn't pass a soul lesson in your past life, and now in this present life, you're here to actually resolve that. So you might be wondering, how do I join this amazing hike into your past lives? Well, all you have to do is click the link below. You'll be taken to Outer There's website where you can sign up. I will say that if you are interested in joining, there are only 20 spots available for this specific adventure that we're doing on October 23rd. So you want to grab one of those, and if you have a friend or a couple friends you want to bring along, make sure that they grab their seats or their reservations as well. If you don't live in New Jersey or you don't have a car, just know that there are going to be pickup spots available in New York City. There is a little bit of an additional fee for that shuttle service, but it is available to you. Now, I can't think of a better way to begin to explore your past lives than to do it through this unique offering. So make sure you jump on this now. If you'd like to know more about different ways that you can work with me, whether it's a group session or you want to do an individual session, which will really take you deep into past life regression, then you can look at my website at thetravelinghypnotist.com, and I'll leave the link here below. All right, I'll see you soon.